the matter was taken for argument by their lordships. We strongly believe that by the time our bills are read and the appeal is looking to on merit, then we'll have that as the report of the INEC, exhibit APC 4, said it loud and clear that there are no election 228 wards. That's our own feel. It's our, yes, it's our feel. So, but we are waiting for what their lordships are going to say. I decided to argue that appeal based on conscience as a Muslim, knowing that I will give account to the Almighty Allah.
Only one local government with 11 wards came with their result. The other 21 local government do not have result in courts. You know, so are you now saying, or are you saying we don't have a case to say that out of the 239 wards, you have result for just 11 wards? And should you now believe that 11 ward result is enough for somebody to emerge as a gubernatorial candidate? These are the fundamental issues before the lordship. That out of 239 wards, we have result for just 11 wards. Okay? And it's a settled principle of law that you cannot put something on nothing. You cannot say that there was a valid election if you have just 11 ward result out of 239 wards. That's why we're here. I don't know about the technicalities. I'm not a lawyer, but I used to be a lawmaker. We made this. I was a party to the drafting of the Electoral Act.